Quick! Implement the emergency response system! In today's modern industrial and corporate environments, safety is no longer just a feature, it is a necessity. Driven by this vision, ThinkX technology develops innovative and reliable safety solutions that help organizations stay prepared for emergencies and respond with confidence. Guided by our philosophy, technology with care, ThinkX designs advanced wireless safety systems engineered specifically for large industrial facilities, manufacturing plants, and corporate campuses. We are proud to be the first company to introduce and successfully install a centralized wireless emergency response system in India at ISGEC Hitachi Zosen, setting a new benchmark in workplace safety.
The ThinkX Centralized Wireless Emergency Response System is an advanced emergency alert solution that connects an entire facility through a centralized monitoring network. The system consists of wireless panic buttons, LoRa Hooter systems, and a central monitoring panel. Whenever an emergency is triggered from any location within the facility, the system instantly transmits the alert and displays the exact location on the central monitoring dashboard. In addition to on-site alerts, the system can automatically send SMS and phone call notifications to authorized personnel, ensuring rapid communication and faster response during critical situations. Its completely wireless architecture eliminates the need for extensive wiring, making deployment faster, more cost-effective, and easier to scale. Even across large industrial campuses, the system delivers reliable, long-range connectivity without requiring Wi-Fi infrastructure. Every system module is powered and equipped with an integrated battery backup. In the event of a power outage, each module can continue operating for up to 24 hours, ensuring uninterrupted protection. Advanced self-diagnostic and self-monitoring capabilities continuously monitor the health of the entire network. If any module is disconnected, loses power, or experiences a low battery condition, the system automatically generates maintenance alerts, helping minimize downtime and ensuring maximum reliability. Centralized Hooter control allows operators to activate or deactivate all Hooters across the facility, enabling efficient emergency communication and evacuation management. Reliable, long-term performance with minimal maintenance requirements. Most importantly, the system helps organizations build a stronger safety ecosystem, improving preparedness, response capability, and overall operational resilience. At ThinkX, our commitment extends beyond installation. We focus on delivering long-term reliability, operational readiness, and peace of mind. Safety is not just about reacting to emergencies. It is about being prepared before they happen. If you are looking to elevate your organization's safety infrastructure, connect with ThinkX technology today. ThinkX technology. Technology with care. Smart safety, instant response, reliable protection. Proudly made in India.